EZbra is an all-in-one disposable breast dressing designed to meet post-op requirements for patients and healthcare professionals. Open the pack, take EZbra out, unfold it, detach tabs, and hold them. Place EZbra behind the patient's back and elevate EZbra to the correct height under the patient's armpits. Fasten the tabs by attaching each to the opposite cup. EZbra allows a customized adjustment to post-op requirements, offering a tailored dressing to each patient's shape, size, and post-op challenges. The next step is to open both folded flex bands and attach to fit the desired compression. EZbra can also be used in extreme cases of asymmetry, providing compression to only one side. Adjust the longer flex bands, tightening each side, above and below the breast to the desired amount of support and definition of the breast folds. Repeat the action in the opposite direction. Once EZbra is applied, you can always increase or decrease the amount of compression by adjusting the tabs or flex bands. The upper band can be used as a bandeau to help fixate implants, and the height of the dressing was designed to cover most drain exits. The flex band's Velcro brand fastener can also be used to secure the drain tube, reducing incidence of pain from the drain moving. The lower strap can be used to secure the drain bulbs, providing the patient an all-in-one feminine solution that allows patients to recover with dignity.